Hi friends, I'm back with another story which is The Big Mouth Turtle. Once there was a turtle who lived in a pond. Two young swans also visited that pond. The swans were very friendly and nice. They became pals of the turtle. The swans loved the slow trundle of the turtle and his simple nature. The swans were very learned creatures. They told the turtle fantastic things, stories of sages, and about the far off strange places they had flown to. The turtle would listen wide eyed. The only bad habit of the turtle was of interrupting the talk with his foolish remarks. The swans forgave the turtle for this as they were very gentle creatures. Their friendship grew. Time went by. One year there was a severe drought. It failed to rain. Even monsoon brought no clouds. The ponds began drying up. The water creatures were dying. The fish died first. A day came when only mud remained in the pond. The turtle was in trouble. It was the question of life and death. The certain death awaited the turtle. The swans were worried about the fate of their friend. They used to assure the turtle that everything would be all right. They flew away far and wide looking for the solution to the problem. One day, on returning, they said to the turtle, "There is a lake 50 miles away, a lot of water and food in it. You will be safe there." The turtle sighed. "Oh, 50 miles? It will take me months to reach that place. I will die on the way." The turtle was not wrong. The swans thought out a plan. They bought a small stick and said, "Friend turtle, we too will fly holding the ends of the stick in our beaks. You shall hold the stick in your mouth at the center. In this way, we will fly you to that lake. Then you will be fine." They warned, "Remember, do not open your mouth during the flight, otherwise you will fall down." The turtle nodded his head, and thus the three got up in the air that way. The swans held the stick ends and the turtle hung by it. As they flew over the town, the people below saw the strange scene. They pointed it to one another. The people leaned on their balconies. The ladies and the children ran up to the roofs. Everyone was watching up the swans and hanging the turtle. This made a lot of noise. The turtle found so many people looking at them. He forgot the warning of the swans and croaked in excitement, "Look! How many people are watching us?" As soon as he opened his mouth, he fell down. The turtle died as he hit the ground. Moral: open your mouth to say something at a proper time only. Thanks for listening, friends. See you soon. Bye bye.